In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a vertical menu widget to your website. We'll place it on the side, link it to your pages, and customize its style to fit seamlessly with your site's design. This process is straightforward, but I'll be breaking it down step by step to make sure you have a clear understanding every step of the way. First things first, let's add that vertical menu widget. Most website builders will have a sidebar or a dashboard where you can manage your site's components. Navigate to this section and look for the option to add a new widget or element. It might be under a menu labeled Add, Widgets, or Elements. Once you're there, you'll likely find a variety of widgets you can choose from. Look for the menu or navigation widget. In this case, make sure it's the vertical type. Selecting this widget will allow you to add it to your page. Once you've selected your widget, it's time to place it on the side of your web page. When you click on the widget, you should be able to drag and drop it to the preferred location. Many platforms have a grid layout that snaps your element into place, so simply drag it towards the side you want it on, whether that's the left or the right. Positioning it correctly is crucial as it should be easily accessible for visitors, guiding them to various parts of your site without being obtrusive. Next, let's link this menu to your pages. The menu widget will typically come with options or buttons to link to different pages of your site. Click on a menu item within the widget to open up linking options. Here, you can add links to direct your visitors to the corresponding pages. For example, you might want to link to your home page, about section, contact page, or any important feature or service page. Ensure each menu item is correctly linked and double-check them by previewing your site after linking to make sure everything works smoothly. Finally, we'll customize the style of your menu to match your site's overall design. This step is important as a cohesive look enhances user experience by maintaining a consistent theme across your website. Go back to the widget settings and look for customization options. You may have several choices, such as altering the font style and size, changing colors, or adding borders and effects. Consider your site's color palette and typography when making these adjustments so that your menu both stands out and complements your design. Now, as you make these changes, take some time to preview your site. Viewing it as a visitor would ensure your menu is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. As you can see, adding a vertical menu widget can be a simple yet impactful enhancement to your website's navigation, offering an easy route for visitors to explore your content. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found